No, leave it. Good confidence. Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Sam.
We're with the Dagelman Family Farm.
I'm David.
There's Dad. We're currently on our way over to Blue Phase Welding again to work on our trailer that we're having them make for us. You didn't see our last video. We're currently having them work on a wedding trailer for us. It's going to help move our chairs. Right now the setup we have just takes a lot of time and it's not the best, so we're having a custom trailer made that's going to be able to much easier haul the chairs from our ceremony location and store them for us. So he's currently working on that.
Right now, at the point he's at with the trailer, we're bringing over about 13 or 14 more chairs just so he can get the length of the arms right. Just finish up a few more welds on it and just get all the support beams in it, and then we're good to go.
Yeah, so join with us. We'll show you some nice welds and then show you the finished product. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ah! Oh God!
Hey everybody, David here again. We're at Mac's shop now, Blue Phase Welding. He's got more of the frame together. He's got the structure that the chairs are actually going to hang on above the frame of the trailer. And we came out today just to make sure, you want to make sure your angle's right and make sure it's going to hold the chairs like we had hoped it would.
Yeah, make sure everything lines up good, I want the customer happy with what he's getting, and all that stuff. So yeah, today we're going to be doing a little bit more welding, and we're going to be welding back better. So we'll see how it goes. Okay.
Nice. he had some idea. Let's see what he had something in mind he was going to do. I'm not sure exactly what.
So what I'm gonna do, what I want to do is I'm gonna cap these.
Okay.
I think grind and flush, you know.
Yep.
And then these will, I'm gonna radius these and cut them down. They're not gonna be as long. They're only gonna stick up like an inch.
Yep.
That's what I was thinking.
Yep.
And you know, radius.
So you kind of got to lift the chair up and over that
kind of
to get onto the rail, right? that's all we're gonna do for now. Mac's gonna do some welding later this week. You figure another week or two, you said, or something like that. Should I have it all done? You figure?
Yep.
Something like that. So yeah, if you need anything else from us, let us know. We can come over and whatever we need to do. But we know that the chairs fit like we hoped. So that's it for us today. Mac's gonna weld some after we leave, but that's all he needed us for. But check him out, Facebook, Blue Phase Welding. Thanks. See you guys later.
Thanks, guys.
Hi, I'm Tom from Day1 Family Farm. This is Sam. We're currently on our way to the Blue Phase Welding. Damn it. God damn it. Now that's all don't say that, because now that's all I think about.
Well, saying it once or
Yeah.
ain't bad.
But now it's all in my head, Dad.
Do you want me to say it first, Mark?
No, Sam, I'm gonna get it. I gotta get used to this. I know both of you have been on camera. I know I watch it over and over again.
Every day.
Yeah, every day.